what's up? It's Elaine and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure to click the subscribe button. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be decluttering all of my makeup. Makeup is one of my main hobbies that I do other than like photography and stuff. I have not cleaned out my makeup for about a year now, which means there are a lot of expired, old, and unused products that I haven't even touched. I'm going to be separating them into keep, throw away, and giveaway because obviously I'm not going to donate things that have been used or are expired. That is enough talking and rambling. Let's just start decluttering. I'm actually gonna show you guys what my makeup collection looks right now, and then I'm going to start cleaning.
Yes, I'm sitting right here, waiting for you, my dear.
Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go through all of my lip products and then these drawers. Okay, so this is the pile of good stuff that I'm giving away and donating, and then this is the pile of really old, expired, used products that I cannot give away. Okay guys, so that is the finished decluttered video. If you have not done so yet, make sure to subscribe.